Today I'm going to show you how to build a toggle on or off switch. Now you may be asking, what does this have to do with a computer? Basically, a computer is a giant set of toggle ons or offs. The toggle on will always equal 1 and the toggle off will equal 0. So another thing to notice is that I put different color wool. That's just to help me navigate because it gets very complicated later on. So it's a good idea to start doing different colored wools right now. Blue will be the addition side and black will be this clear button. So first you start off by placing 3 blue wool and then you put 3 black wool with a hook. It will look like this at the start. On step 2, you add the repeaters in and you also add a 2x2 wool, black wool right there. Do not place it on the top there. If it's on the top or on the other side, it will get jammed and will not work. So make sure it looks exactly like this. Make sure the repeaters are also facing the correct directions, because if they're in the wrong directions, they will not work either. Next step, you will have the pistons and the extra block. 2 the pistons on the sides are regular pistons, and the one on the far right is a sticky piston. It has to be sticky, otherwise it will not click back. The basics of this one is the basics of how it will work. So you press this button, and then it toggles on. Press this button, and clears it. The next one is a display. A display is very simple. It's not very hard. Most people think it's actually very hard, but it's not. We first start off by adding, I'll be labeled the green wool as display because it's easy to notice. You can either do that, or if you want to make it a little bit more compact, you can also put it 3 right next to it. Then you place repeaters along the sides here. This will display it either on or off, or on or off. You can either inverse it if you're like the on switch, which means on, or you can be the opposite and think this way, which is a lot easier. And that's basically how you build a toggle on or off switch with a small display.